Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect LinkedIn to HubSpot. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any preferred browser and search for HubSpot.com. Then sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Now, click on the gear cog icon at the top right corner to access account settings. This will open a new page with a menu on the left side. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and click on Marketing. From the options that appear, select Ads. Next, click on the Connect Account button. A new page will load up where you need to click on the Connect Ads Account button, and you will see a list of options. Simply select LinkedIn from this list. After selecting LinkedIn, you will see a list of your LinkedIn ad accounts. Choose any one of your ad accounts that you want to connect to HubSpot. Make sure to toggle it on to enable the connection. Then, click on the Connect button. Once connected, you will be prompted to click on the Next button. This will guide you through additional steps, but for now, you can skip all of them. So that's basically how you can connect LinkedIn to HubSpot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.